National champion Kyle Gregg and the co-driver Marcia Dawes heads a 5-member rally Jamaica team for the Trinidad and Tobago International Stages Championships from April 6 to 7. Renata Brown reports.
It's the first time Jamaica will be sending 5 teams to the Trinidad and Tobago International Stages Rally, which has been in the planning for the past 15 years. With the decline of overseas competitors for the Jamaica International Stages Rally, Larry Enriquez, chief organizer of Rally Jamaica and their Trinidad and Tobago counterpart, decided to form a alliance for the 2019 season.
We are the 2 longest running dirt rallies in the region. And essentially, you don't have to do any serious changes to your vehicle, suspension, etc. We are supporting dirt rallying. That was Harold's message to us, that if we don't get together and start to move amongst each other, we were all going to die.
One of the main reasons for the decline in the sport is the overhead tax from the government. However, the Minister of Sport, Olivia Grange, gave a waiver for the duties on the cars. Denzel Thorpe, the Permanent Secretary of Sports, made the announcement of the plan to assist the reggae racers with a sponsorship of $1.2 million.
I'm anxious to see more motor racing events being hosted here. We have the facilities at Jam West and Dover. We now have to develop the framework to make it even more attractive for motor racers from across the region and the world to want to come here to compete. That is why I'll be advocating for the waiving of the fees associated with exporting and importing the vehicles from our ports.
The Rally Jamaica team will be Kyle Gregg and co-driver Marcia Dawes, reigning Jamaica champion Timothy Stewart and co-driver Stephen Gunter, while Lee Vaz and Andrew Graham will compete in Group N class. 2017 champion Joel Jackson, co-driver Dimitri Dawkins will be the lone team in Group A class, with former Trinidad and Tobago front-wheel driver winner Bobby Marshall and Michelle Laidlaw contesting that class. Marshall, who has been competing in the Twin Island Republic for over 5 years, has warned team members.
It is fast stage, it is very narrow road, a lot of culvert, so you can't, how we drive in Jamaica here with the flamboyant style sideways, that's a no-no in Trinidad. So you have to tidy up your work.
Renata Brown for TVJ Sport.